good day, ladies and gentlemen, or good morning, I guess I could say. Well, I'm sitting here on the kitchen table. May look a little bit like a mess, but hey, we got our charger taken apart, and I have discovered where my issue lies. You see that wire right there? That is my issue. Yeah, it was probably touching there, and so that causes the whole thing to, I guess, shorten out. Yeah. So I got my little bit of electric tape right there. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it around there, and then we'll see if that will do the job, right? Hopefully, I bought the other one probably for nothing, but at least that way I have one for emergency case in case mine goes bad again, right? So let's give this a shot and see if it works. That's it, guys. We managed to fix our power box. Yes, let's take a look. You see that little green light there? It's working nicely right now. Yeah, what I had to do is I had to unscrew these screws right there. They're kind of hard to see there, but in order to do that, I had to go buy me this little handy tool set here, because if you can see right there with the these things right there, they got a hole in them there. You guys see that? And these bolts over here, they got that little pin in the middle there. So I had these regular ones, you know, as this, the ones that you can see there, they don't have the little hole in there, right? So I did have those, but I didn't have the ones that have the hole in the middle there. So I had to go buy me this little set. Cost me 39 bucks here at Canadian Tire. And I bought me some of this shrink wrap tubing, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, bought me a little bit of these these glue hot sticks or whatever. I mean, old hot glue machine here. And so what I like I showed you guys, the wire was I guess the shrink wrap come apart in there, and then it was touched, that the wires were touching together, so that could cause an issue, right? So that's why it wasn't working properly. So what I did is I cut these shrink tubes in half, and then I used that glue gun, hot glue gun, to mount them around there, and just use that hot glue to stick these things onto there, so that way it would stay nicely in there. So hopefully that will work until I get my my new one. I already ordered a new one. It's just because it comes from China, it's gonna take, who knows, a month and a half till I get it probably. So hopefully this will last until then, I mean, and we'll be good to go. Right now it's working good. Let's keep our fingers crossed. If not, I know how to fix it, right? Yep, that's it. After all that, guys, after we fixed it all, it is time for breakfast. Let's take a look on what we got here. We got some eggs, some coffee. Yeah, everybody's having breakfast. Yeah. You already had your breakfast, eh? You already had your breakfast?
You're on your second nap, right?
Yeah, you're taking another beauty nap, eh? Like Howard always does. He likes to take beauty naps. Anyways, that was a good coffee and breakfast, and see what else we're up to for the rest of the day, right? Well, if it isn't one problem, it's another, right? Yeah. It's pretty cold up here in Manitoba again. And so, me and my son, we went to go wash the truck. You can see we just finished washing her real nice. She's looking pretty good. I know it's a little windy out here, but it's brutally cold again. I don't know if you'll be able to see that sun has got that circle around it again today, but anyways, me and my son went and washed the truck, and now we got another issue. Yeah, our oil pressure is not going up, so it's saying there's like an oil pressure communication issue or something. So we're here at the mechanic's shop. We'll see if they can figure out what's going on. Might just be the sensor itself, so we'll see. We'll find out anyways. But now I'm just waiting for the wife to come pick me up. It is supper time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed it is. Guess what we're having for supper? Looks like we're having a nice stew. Wife cooked a really nice stew, and we got some nice pie left over from last night. So we're gonna have us an awesome supper. Oh yeah, that's for sure.